Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the today's presentation. So our presentation is based on development of a carbon footprint calculator for software companies. I am Md.Mehedi, and here is my roommate Samira Ayub Samira Khan Mohammad Said Asif Junaid Ali. So I represent the whole presentation on behalf of our team member. So first of all, this is our abstract. This is the overall scenario of our project, which is Bangladesh's software and IT sector exports about USD 1.4 to 1.5 billion and employs over 5 billion people, yet its carbon footprint is largely unmeasured due to limitation resource, and so on. About our abstract, here's an introduction of our presentation. The urgent isn't need to limit warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius in increasing pressure on all sectors to measure, report, and reduce greenhouse gas emission. The ICT sector contributes and emitted 1.8 to 2.8% of global GHG, which is greenhouse gas emission comparable to aviation with softer emission, mainly from purchased electricity, travel, communicating, and hardware. Although standards such of Greenhouse Gas Protocol, Corporate Standard ISO, ER, ESRS required comprehensive assurance-ready Scope 1 to 3 reporting, may software firms lack generating data and suitable tools, leading to complete or inconsistent carbon decisions. There's a background of our project, which is ICT Emission, Bangladesh's software and IT sector standard application handled by data needed, and our gap. Also, the problem statement resulting whispered underreporting of emission at firm and sector level, missed opportunities to identify and implement mitigation measure within software SMEs, risks of the sector being sideended and in nations, and international climate policies target and finance management mechanism. As a research question, the main research question is how can standard complete assurance-ready carbon footprint calculator be designed for Bangladeshi software companies under real-world data consistency? Then there are our two sub research questions. The first one is the operational and the financial data. Are software companies in Bangladesh willing and able to provide for carbon footprint calculator? Our research question 2 is how can accurate and standards compliant carbon emission calculator be performed using only these readily available data types? This is our aim, objective, focus, and extraction. Our aim is develop a carbon footprint calculator using validated emission factor model. These are two objectives. The first objective is specify calculator input based on the survey of software companies. Construct calculator using collected data and validate factor. Our main focus is the small and medium Bangladeshi software firms spend our proxy-based method complete with GHG protocol, ISO, and ESRS. Extraction is full LCA, imported hardware, emissions, general scope. So our few literature review, the core standard G2G GHG protocol, frequent alignment claimed by the limited verified full scope 3 coverage, especially for eligible heavy forms, sector calculator, tools for ports about plus minus 8% accuracy, SMES low input model, and previously prevailing distributed approach. computation and cloud method like green algorithm, core, hour based, and imaging cloud provides emission APIs, though standardization remains incomplete. Emission factor, time and location specific factor outperforms simple average, cutting uncertainty to below roughly 15%. The research gap, no empirical study of software firm data willingness, no systematic mapping to measure standards, and no tolerance calculator for amazing economic software sector. This is our methodology. It's a data collection, calculator design, participants, data analysis, and ethics. We standard structure a Google form, which is carbon footprint data as availability survey, send basis member, LinkedIn contract, and EWU alumnus. Nine companies completed response, which is 22.5% response rate. Calculator design, web-based design tool, HTML, CSS, JavaScript hosted on render, using hybrid spread based on proxy methods with emission factor from authoritative where possible location time adjusted source. Participants of purposive simple or Bangladeshi software SMEs including firms such as Bragg IT, SM Technology, etc. The result of finding. So the response profile is a mix of Bangladeshi software SMEs including Bragg IT, SM Technology, CF Law, and Software Advance. Key findings: high willingness to share financial data such as cloud, IT hardware, spend, and backup generator cost, around 77.8%. Low willingness for gener generator metrics may lack office floor area data 66.7%, work from home days 100%, and communicate data 55.56%. Preference: simple calculator are favored 55.6% are unwilling to introduce new tracking logins. There's a survey result summary. Our discussion okay, demonstration of the calculator. Here is our publicly available link. User friendly, except only the survey variants such as expenditure, head count, and basis operator data sector. We create in the multiple sector like direct emission generator, refrigerator, vehicle, and upstream in the indirect emission is IT, speed, travel, communicating. Output we find like scope 1 to 3 totals per employee metrics, details, background table, and CSV and PDF explode options. Privacy, ensure privacy by processing all input locally in the browser. So here we demonstrating our calculator. So firstly we found this interface. So we um, choose our company, it's like bracket. Then we are start our calculation. Here is some delay. Give me a few seconds. We are conducting. Give me a few seconds. Our application is loading now. So, okay, there is our screen, and we we create a name which is Bragg IT, which is our company name. We like to start our calculation for carbon footprint. So here is our calculation. So first of all, total company headcount, let's say we have 500 employee in our company. After that, here is a purchased electricity. Annually, we are consumptions like um, 15,000 kilowatt per hour year. So dietetic emission in diesel generator, backup generator fuel consumption per liter in year. Let's say 5,000 liter per year. Then refrigerating left, we are 5 kg per year. Company owned vehicle, obviously yes. So annual fuel consumption for company fleet, let's say 2000 liter diesel. Okay, after that, upstream or indicator emission, purchasing goods services, IT spends, let's say 25,000 USD per year to 12,000 USD per year. Cloud data service, it's electronics and hardware, and it's cloud data service per we are costing. So business air travels, let's say number of flights, let's say two flights. Okay. So fast flights pricing is like per kilometer is like 5,000 is economic class. Um, so here is a business class. So let's say it's 8,000 total passenger per kilometer. Okay, let's then employee commuting, which is the daily commuted emission road trip actually. So let's say it's 12 kilometer. Okay, after that the calculation we are this are three scope, which is first one, first one emitted uh, 32 3 lakhs 32 22 sorry 32,280 kg carbon emitted, 93 90 9,300 kg, and scope 3 emitted 8,650 kg. Its total 50,230 kg carbon emitted. Here is our all over total result, and um, we generated and we downloaded our CSV file or PDF file to to represent, and we are calculated our, let's say we download carbon CSV file, which is represented actually our carbon footprint, our sorry, not carbon footprint, emitted carbon in all scope and our total emission. For further calculation and our download, if I download PDF file, which is generated this type of file, which is um, actually show the overall carbon emission of our this company. After that, we continue our presentation. So this is our demonstration. This is a demonstration screenshot actually. So this is a discussion about answer to the research question. Our first research question answer is developed calculator accepts only willing input, computes completing verifiable scope 1 to 3, assurance ready of SMES. Sub research question 1, high level financial, cloud office free travels, basis OAP headcount, unwilling, genuine WFH energy communicating distance. Sub research question 2, use hybrid spend proxy factor, derive emission from spend with regional insurance intercities consequentive images of unavailable categories ensures standards companies. This discussion is significant result, the novel tools, SMEs support, broader impact, representation potentials. Our comparison with external literature built on peer work addressing key GPS starting on strength under constructed then limitation and future work or limitation small size small sample size we create survey in 9 firms with possible selection bias proxy based immediate introduce higher uncertainty and our future work is contract larger more representative survey integrated cloud provides emission APIs at mobile-friendly interface, spacious uncertainty analysis and reduction planning modules run longitudinal studies or adoption and emission. In our conclusion, develop a fast tolerant standard aligned carbon calculator ethical and social values support environmental justice and SMEs ESG compliance advanced national climate committees. Opportunity enable qualification of the sector contribution to national inventories, supports target emission reduction, and offers a model for replication in other emerging markets. These are reference. Thank you so much. This is the end. And this is all of our presentation. Thank you.